In today's rapidly changing trade world, big shifts are happening. After the Trump administration's new tariffs, many countries that once relied heavily on the United States are now looking elsewhere to secure better deals and avoid costly barriers. One nation is quickly rising as their top choice, Singapore. With its strategic location, low tariffs, strong trade agreements, and stable economy, Singapore is becoming a global hub for business and investment. In this video, we'll explore 10 countries now choosing Singapore over the US, and reveal why this small but powerful nation is winning big in global trade. 10. Brazil. Brazil is the largest economy in Latin America and a key player in global agriculture, mining, and energy sectors. Its vast natural resources, including soybeans, coffee, iron ore, and oil, make it an essential exporter. Despite challenges like political fluctuations and social inequality, Brazil continues to attract foreign investments, particularly in renewable energy and infrastructure projects. Its diverse culture and dynamic workforce provide opportunities for entrepreneurship and innovation. Brazil's urban centers, such as São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro, act as hubs for finance, technology, and industry. Efforts to stabilize the economy and improve social development are ongoing, aiming to strengthen Brazil's role as a leading emerging market. 9. Canada. Canada benefits from abundant natural resources, a highly skilled workforce, and a stable political environment. Its economy is diverse, spanning finance, technology, energy, and manufacturing sectors. Trade agreements with neighboring countries and global partners bolster Canada's international economic presence. The nation emphasizes innovation, research, and sustainable development, particularly in clean energy, technology, and education sectors. Canada's multicultural population fosters creativity and entrepreneurship, making it an attractive destination for talent and investment. Urban centers like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal serve as financial and cultural hubs. Canada also maintains strong environmental policies, promoting sustainability alongside economic growth. Its stability and strategic trade relations ensure continued global competitiveness. 8. Spain. Spain is a vibrant European nation known for tourism, agriculture, and manufacturing industries. Its economy is heavily supported by tourism, with millions visiting historical cities, beaches, and cultural landmarks annually. Agriculture, including olive oil, wine, and citrus, forms another vital sector, alongside automotive and textile manufacturing. Spain has worked to recover from economic challenges by reducing unemployment and improving fiscal stability. Integration within the European Union provides access to a large market and investment opportunities. Spanish innovation in renewable energy and infrastructure projects further strengthens its economy. The country's rich cultural heritage, lifestyle, and educated workforce contribute to Spain's appeal as a hub for business, tourism, and global trade. 7. South Korea. South Korea is a global leader in technology, innovation, and manufacturing. Its economy is driven by major industries such as electronics, automobiles, shipbuilding, and semiconductors. Investment in research and development supports continuous technological advancements and global competitiveness. South Korea's export-oriented economy benefits from strong trade relationships with Asia and other regions. The nation also has a well-educated and skilled workforce, supporting entrepreneurship and innovation in diverse sectors. Cultural exports, including K-pop, films, and fashion, enhance South Korea's international influence. Urban centers like Seoul and Busan serve as hubs for commerce, technology, and finance. South Korea balances rapid modernization with cultural preservation, maintaining a strong global economic and cultural presence. 6. Australia. Australia has a diverse economy with strengths in services, finance, education, and natural resource exports. Minerals, agriculture, and energy products contribute significantly to trade, while urban centers like Sydney and Melbourne act as hubs for business, finance, and technology. Australia maintains strong trade relationships within the Asia-Pacific region, fostering economic growth and international collaboration. The nation focuses on sustainable development, research, and innovation, particularly in renewable energy and technology sectors. Australia's skilled workforce, high quality of life, and multicultural society enhance productivity and global appeal. Tourism and education attract international visitors and students, while infrastructure and policy reforms ensure continued economic stability and growth opportunities. 5. Mexico. Mexico's economy is shaped by manufacturing, agriculture, and energy sectors. Automotive and electronics manufacturing, alongside oil and mineral production, drive exports and industrial growth. Trade agreements strengthen Mexico's connections with North America and beyond, supporting foreign investment and economic diversification. Urban areas like Mexico City and Monterrey serve as business and cultural centers, fostering innovation and commerce. The nation invests in infrastructure, technology, and education to maintain competitiveness. Mexico's rich cultural heritage, workforce potential, and strategic geographic position make it a vital trade partner. Policies aimed at improving stability, productivity, and trade efficiency continue to enhance Mexico's global economic influence and attractiveness to investors. 4. India. India is a rapidly growing economy with diverse sectors including information technology, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, and services. A large and youthful population fuels innovation, entrepreneurship, and a growing consumer market. Infrastructure development and economic reforms support domestic and international trade. Urban hubs like Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Delhi act as centers for business, technology, and finance. India's global influence is strengthened by its IT exports, digital innovation, and skilled workforce. Agriculture remains important, complemented by industrial and service sector growth. Cultural diversity and a strong educational system further enhance India's economic potential. Policy initiatives aim to attract investment, stimulate growth, and position India as a significant global economic player. 3. Japan. Japan is a technologically advanced economy with global leadership in electronics, robotics, and automotive industries. Manufacturing, innovation, and high-quality production define its global competitiveness. Urban centers like Tokyo and Osaka serve as hubs for business, finance, and research. Japan balances industrial development with environmental sustainability and technological innovation. Cultural influence, including design, media, and cuisine, complements economic strength. Despite demographic challenges such as an aging population, Japan maintains efficiency, productivity, and a skilled workforce. Trade relationships with Asia, North America, and Europe underpin its economic resilience. Continuous investment in infrastructure, research, and technology ensures Japan remains a leading global economic power. 2. Germany. Germany is Europe's largest economy, known for engineering, automotive, and industrial manufacturing excellence. Its economy is export-driven, with strong trade ties across the European Union and globally. Innovation, research, and sustainability are central to Germany's industrial and technological development. Urban centers like Berlin, Munich, and Frankfurt serve as hubs for business, finance, and technology. Germany invests heavily in renewable energy, infrastructure, and education to maintain competitiveness. Skilled labor and a robust industrial base support high-quality production and global exports. Germany's strategic policies, economic stability, and focus on innovation strengthen its role as a leading global economic and manufacturing powerhouse. 1. United States. The United States is the world's largest and most diverse economy, with strengths across technology, finance, healthcare, and services. Its innovation-driven culture fosters entrepreneurship, research, and global competitiveness. Major cities like New York, San Francisco, and Chicago act as global centers for business, finance, and technology. The U.S. benefits from a large consumer market, natural resources, and trade relationships worldwide. Cultural exports, higher education, and technological innovation enhance its international influence. A skilled workforce and dynamic private sector drive economic growth. The U.S. maintains resilience through infrastructure investment, policy initiatives, and innovation, solidifying its position as a global economic leader with substantial influence across multiple industries.